Hey, welcome to Adventurleighs. I'm Theron, and this is going to be a solo video, I think. It's very spontaneous, and going on a little road trip to go get something. We'll show you when we get there, but we've been looking for one of these forever. They're quite pricey, brand new. We found a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace on a used one. So my son-in-law and I are going for a drive. So we're home. This is what I bought. It's a 13-foot, two-person kayak. Cheryl and I have been talking about getting one of these for a couple of years now, but we didn't want to buy a new one because they're just way too expensive.
Yeah, they're really expensive.
They're like $1,000 new. So we found this one on Facebook Marketplace. My son and I drove up to pick it up, and so we're going to offload it.
All right, we're in.
We're in.
Row, row, row.
Splash. Yeah, so we still got to buy paddles and life jackets, but this was too good of a deal to pass up. So we're excited to have it. We'll get some use out of this summer. May the 4th be with you. It's it's Star Wars Day. I have a cool jersey. All right.
I didn't get the memo, but that's okay. I'm still cool.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we're here today because, as you know, we have a kayak now. So we need to actually get paddles, and we need to get safety vests. So when he throws me out of the kayak, I won't die. Just kidding.
Right.
So we're going to go in and price them out and see what we can find.
Yeah, so we're at Bass Pro Shop in front of the Metal Deer. And yeah, we're going to go and check out, price some paddles and life jackets. So come on in with us. All right, Cheryl's checking out the dad shirts. She thinks she might have something picked out for me. Yes, that's a dad shirt.
And
oh my God, they have matching shorts. That's a no, by the way.
Oh, fine.
That's a hell no.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, try this one.
Oh, you have never bought life jackets.
Yeah.
You would die in that life jacket.
Yeah. No, I would float. It was very loose fitting. I could put my sandwiches in there with me. Oh yeah, this is much better. This one will work. What's universal mean? Probably just what it says, huh? I'll make sure I hang all these back up when I'm done. All right. Adult uniform. I'm not making fun. Oh, that's a nope. That is also a nope. Yeah, this will work. This is a good one.
And if you eat too much food, you just make it a little bit bigger.
Right. My pooch will fit in there if I have too many hamburgers before I get in the water.
Okay, roll.
Okay, I think we found some.
We found 2 life jackets.
And now we have to go find paddles.
Yes. All right, let's go.
All right. If we just wear them out of the store, will they get suspicious?
Yes. Look at this.
Okay, kayak, paddle length, kayak width. I would put us in this range, probably. And then, oh, this is the paddler height. How tall are you? Okay, so we're, all right, so we're both in this range. The boat's in this range. So 220. No, that seems, well, these are 230, so close enough. So a pair of these then, huh? Pair of these then.
Yeah, this is 230 right
Thanks. This what? Yeah, this is also 230, and it's $20 cheaper.
Okay.
Okay, so I think this is what we want. All right, we learned how to read the chart. Cheryl found the chart, and we learned how to read it. I'd start singing, but then they'd ban me from the YouTubes.
We just got out of Cabela's, so we now have our vests and we have our paddles and we are all set to go. So we appreciate you watching this video. It's a little bit shorter video this week, but we wanted to share our new kayak with you. So you'll get to see some adventures on our kayak with us. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yep, thanks for watching.
Bye.